What's up guys, it's your girl Wendy back at it with another video. We have here Andy and we're about to go on a little mini vacation out to LA. Gonna spend the night out there and then hit the beach tomorrow and then just have some fun. So yeah, come around with us. Alright guys, so this is the first stop. Starbucks. We just got where, baby?
We just got here to Victoria Gardens because we're gonna go shopping.
Yeah, so follow us along and shop with us because I'm gonna shop till I drop. Being good deal. We got the Morphe store over there. This one's cute. Maria.
Maria Lopez Castro.
And we're about to have some bombs.
Let's eat outside like this time of year.
Alright guys, so remember that one time Maria and Andrew pranked us? Well, we're gonna tell the waitress that it's Andrew's birthday.
It's not his birthday.
It's not his birthday, but they come and they bring something and they sing. So, ha! We're about to eat good.
Yeah.
Babe, is it good?
Always.
First bite, first bite.
And so we're gonna sing Andrew on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Andrew. Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Woo!
Hey, there you go.
Oh my god. How's 29 feeling?
So young. What is this?
We got you, please.
You guys.
I told you guys it was war.
It's war.
We're out here enjoying our night.
Yeah.
You enjoying it?
Mm-hmm.
Look at how pretty this looks, guys. We're about to head over to the beach. It's gonna be checkout time in like 30 minutes. We're gonna meet our friends over there, so let's do this. Stopped at Taco Bell because you already know how it is. It's like freaking almost 1 o'clock and we're hungry. If you don't even ask for hella fire, then who the hell are you? Look at how bomb this is. Have you guys tried those fries? I kind of didn't like them last time, but let's see. I think with the cheese they're bomb. We're about to grub. We out here. Oh shit!
Unexpected and shit.
Guys, it's really cold. Hi guys, so we're back at Victoria Gardens today to do a little bit more shopping. I'm probably gonna get another of these shirts. Now we're having a picnic at the park. We come from the beach and now it's a picnic. Little break before we hit home. About to eat. So bright.
Hi guys.
Hello.
What is up? YouTube. What's up, YouTube? We're out here at the park just picnicking on our way home. We went shopping, went to the beach, we did lots. Ready for my bed now. Gotta get back to reality. Tomorrow, gotta get up and drive, work for next trip.
The good thing is we're only gonna be working Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and then we'll be
just
off.
a 3-day week and then a 4-day weekend covered up. Thank God.
Yeah, we're about to head home, so
I'm so greasy.
I think I'm gonna end the vlog here.
Okay.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.
Peace.
Bye. It's your girl Wendy and your boy Andy signing off.
Bye.
We had to stop.
Okay, can I get